on to something. Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's nice out today. As you can see, sun's shining. I don't really know what I want to do today, but I want to mess with this because there's still some stuff I need to do. As you can see, still cardboard in the trunk, but I don't want to cut my bumper where these dual exhaust ports are, blah blah, so I don't have any exhaust going through them. I'm just gonna cut the middle section out and see how it looks. I think it'll look pretty cool. Be able to see all my arms and shit, but we'll find out. Alright, bumper's off. I'm probably not gonna mark this or nothing. I'm just gonna run against that line right there. I don't really care if it looks good. I know it's not gonna come out straight, so. I need to trim up the edges. The Dremel I had is balls, so I just pull out the big boy. But yeah, I couldn't get that in there, so I just kind of cut it at straight angles since the disc is so big. But I'll go through with the Dremel and clean her up some. She's good. Alright, we got it on. It's real flimsy now. It's funny. I like how it looks though. Besides the tow hooks, I need to take those off. I'll probably just put a strap in, and once I get the sheet metal for the trunk, you won't see that there, but looks pretty sick. I'm happy. Hopefully I'll have a bash bar soon too, so there'll be a jack point hanging down, but the tire flat. Yeah, she leaky. Hold on to something. That's fucking insane. That's what I was looking for, man. I didn't get the angle because I was staring at it with my face. God damn. That was a good one. We never even slid in that lot before. Bro, what is that thing at the gas station? That green. Oh god.
We're going again.
No. Hold on.
people up here watching us. You want to go in gear?
It's in gear now.
Holy shit. That was the most insane thing I've ever.
Oh shit, I see what happened.
What happened?
I can't fucking see.
Connected to the battery. It's connected because it's running down through the floorboard.
Oh, Gracie stomped on it.
Oh, I'm sorry, my bad.
Oh, you're kidding.
I was only getting thrown around back here.
Damn, that's bad.
You were so close to that fucking pole. Hold
I
on.
know, that was tough.
So many times.
I gotta see it come forward, it's alright. Hell yeah, man. If I get this right, we'll keep going.
No.
Bitch fucking. Oh my god. Eating. Lights, camera, action.
See where that line's at, where that cable. Flash your flashlight, Gershon.
It goes down into the passenger footway right there.
Just don't touch that.
Okay.
Put your knife back. Just to make sure she stays in there. It might stay.